welcome to Home Hashtag Life and a very good morning to you friends. Today's video, my morning routine will give you an insight on how I try to manage my mornings and more importantly myself. The purpose of this video is to try and put in a little impact to every woman's life who struggles in the morning and tries to make it happen for the family. Let's start with a quote which says, "It is a lie to think that you are not good enough. It is a lie to think that you are not worth anything." I usually get up around 5:30 to 5:45 am in the morning. The very first thing in the morning I do post brushing is to change the dress and wear either track pants, t-shirt or salwar kurta.
Absolutely flawless in every way. That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe.
Then next I start a load of laundry in the washing machine and it sets the tone for a productive morning. Now pay the visit to the heart of the home, our kitchen, to start the breakfast, snacks, lunch preparation for my daughter's school and for us. According to the meal planning list, I finish all the soaking work at night only. For example, soaking the rice or dal if the next day we are going to have rice, pulao or dal for lunch. Then I pick up the milk from outside and boil it. I will share one information which I have learned from a WhatsApp forward message. Don't cut the packet completely as those tiny pieces are not recyclable. Then wash the milk packet, hang it to dry, then throw it in your recycle bin. Our small step can make a big difference, isn't it? I try to play some music or FM radio which gives me company while I'm working in the kitchen. Sometimes I need to tidy up the living room or any other room if needed. Mostly I do it at night, but when we watch late night shows here, things won't be in place all the time. Life happens and we are totally fine with our a little messy lived-in home. Sometimes I break the daily cleaning routine. It helps our life from being monotonous and I sort of find fun as well to reset it again. Again back to the kitchen. It's around 6:15 or 6:20 am. I pack snacks and lunch for my daughter, prepare the lunch for me as well. My husband usually has office lunch, so combining freshly cooked and leftovers for lunch saves me a tons of time. While making lunch, I usually make lemon honey water or apple cider water for me. Today my daughter has asked pulao for lunch. Along with it, I am sending cucumber and curd. And I will be having same for the lunch today. So kill two birds with one stone. I usually ask my cook to cut and chop these veggies previous night so that I will be able to save some time in the morning. For breakfast, we are having poha today. We eat pretty non-fancy breakfast in weekdays like poha, upma, oats, cornflakes, bread omelette, idli, dosa, etc.
Absolutely flawless in every way.
By 7, I complete the kitchen work. This time my hubby takes care of our daughter's morning routine. When he travels, I do these chores as and when needed. Now she is a big girl, she brushes her teeth and applies cream by her own, We just monitor that she is not forgetting her morning chores. Then my hubby dresses her up, and meanwhile I prepare the breakfast and set it on the table for her.
That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe. I wish I could stay right here and never leave.
While she eats the breakfast, I usually tie her hair.
Wait a while, I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while before the night descends. All this time, where have you been?
Then we leave for the school bus to catch. I guess we should better hurry not to miss the bus. After dropping my kiddo, I take a walk for 45 minutes. It is my only exercise routine which I follow from 7:45 to 8:30 am. Along with walking, I try to use this time to listen to few soothing soundtracks or something more interesting which can keep me going and encourage me to stay motivated, and Storytel is definitely the companion I look forward to every day. I came across this audiobook app called Storytel sometime in the month of September. I was very curious about the whole concept. Few of the questions crossed my mind. Can I listen to books? Will I be able to connect and feel the same way as I feel while reading? I tried the app for a sufficient time period before I could really share it with our viewers. You can go to the categories and find a huge collection of English, Marathi, Hindi audiobooks along with 3 more other Indian languages. Best part is that you can save your favorite ones to bookshelf to read them later, or download the book and listen to them even without internet connection. Saving books offline helps listening without any interruption, because often while we take a walk in garden or park, the internet isn't always stable. Before you start reading the book, you can play a sample to get the actual vibe of the subject. I will share my favorite audiobooks later in this video, so keep watching.
Then you offered your umbrella and everything changed.
Post completion of my walk, now it's time for my morning tea and breakfast. I make some tea for me and my house help. During this time, my house help comes to clean the house and utensil. While making tea, I quickly try to tidy and clean up the kitchen.
I thought I had searched both without and within. I was looking to get wet, standing in the rain. Then you offered your umbrella and everything changed.
Then sit down in solitude to have little me time, or I can say it's my Instagram time to post any picture or videos. I try to reply to your messages or comment. Also, I try to list out few important things I want to do in the day. (9 am to 9:30 am is the time when I follow a cleaning routine. I start with making bed, dusting on alternate days, spread clothes to dry, take down the dry clothes and keep them in a laundry bag, because mostly I fold them in the evening or night as and when time permits.
Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while before you.
At least 2 times a week, I extend this half an hour time to an hour for a semi-deep cleaning routine. Sometimes I fail, sometimes I pass, but sure thing is I try.
Wait up, sundown, wait a while. No reason to be fast.
Clock is ticking, 9:30, now it's shower time. But before that, I surface clean the bathroom. I have already shared the daily bathroom cleaning routine in this video. If you are interested to have an insight, find the link in the description box below. After the shower, I get ready for the day. Do the daily puja and my daily household chores are almost done. Now let's move to the office time. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. is my working time. As you all know, I create content on YouTube as well as on Instagram, so I need to devote my time precisely. You can consider me as a work from home mother. This time I do scripting or recording or shooting, anything related to video. And whenever I take break from YouTube, I invest the time in some creative work like painting or like making over this cushion cover. It is a plain cushion cover I bought to do some stitches to match our new bed sheet. I have learned a total 9 varieties of stitches during my school time, but as time passes, I forgot many of them. Nowadays, I have started listening to any of my favorite book while I do this creative work. My recommendations will be listed here on the screen. If you want to give Storytel a try, you can avail a 30-day free trial with the link in the description box below. Usually Storytel offers only 14 days free trial, so use this 30-day free trial and decide if this app can be of real help in your life. Around 11 or 11:30, I try to have any one of the fruit. Time is not fixed, it's up to my appetite, but definitely I try to have one. I will have my lunch around 1 and that's it for a typical morning routine which I follow. Our day should not be limited to just cleaning the house and daily chores. Considering the importance, we should spare some time on our physical and mental health as well. Healthy mind resides in a healthy body. As we approach towards the end of this morning routine, I just hope this video can add a little value to everyone's life and make their morning a bit merrier than before. You can follow us on Instagram for home decor pictures and videos. Link will be in the description box below. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.